Pan-YunFu Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2019 in Shenzhen City of Guangdong Province. We focusing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 heads cap embroidery machine with 9, 12, 15 needles. We adopt high precision one-piece molding made machine body, and we use 5mm steel plate for machine head, strong and durable. The machine is installed on a horizontal marble table, topped by experienced technicians and supplemented by sophisticated testing instruments. We adopt the most advanced technologies, patented presser foot, cam, and curved needle plate, make the hat and needles plate closely fit, reduce the frequency of needles breakage even on very hard caps. We have 48-hour strict testing after assembling. We thread all needles and test on both flat and cap. Assure machine 100% good condition. We have our own spare parts warehouse, and assemble machine by every single component, so any spare parts needed in the future, we can deliver it, providing you worry-free after-sales service. Also we have enough spare parts backup, capable for big order and quick delivery time. Machine will be packed together with all the accessories, 100% well protected in wooden case. We can provide OEM and ODM service, and recruit distributors all over the world. We can meet all your special demands cause we have professional R&D team. Quality is the life. Choose YunFu. Choose the best for your business.